I have something to unbox today. This is a very late Secret Santa. All I know is that it's mermaid themed. I don't know what's inside, so let's see. Oh, look at that! It's inside of a beautiful tote bag. Oh, it looks like it's hand painted. Let's see what's inside here. What is this? Is it a towel? I think it is. These are like the microfiber really quick drying towels. Those are going swimming with me later today. Oh, they're little mermaid tail earrings. Oh, it's so cute. Mermaid pen. Oh wait, I think you click it and it changes. Right? So right now it says crash a ship. Make friends with a crab. Oh, these are pretty cute. Oh, there's also a pin that you can add your name to. It's a beautiful turtle. There's a whole bunch of things in here. Jeez. It's a little ornament with my name on it. It's so sparkly. Oh, stickers! The glitter bee. I think it's a forehead piece, maybe? It fits with my makeup that I'm already wearing. We need a close-up of the logo here. The glitter bee. It just keeps going. There's like more things. Oh, a stencil pack. So you can have mermaid scales for your makeup. Mermaid glitter. I'm gonna open it and hopefully not get it everywhere. Ooh, look how big the chunks are. Look, there's seashell earrings. I'm 100% gonna wear those as Ariel. Mermaid of Venice. Looks exciting. Wow. Thank you so much to my Mermaid Secret Santa.